Welcome to my tutorial for today. Today I'm going to be looking at a JAMB question on the board. The question is a 2018 JAMB question. Now the question says, to what temperature must a gas at 273 Kelvin be heated in order to double both its volume and pressure? So these are the options given for this question, the options to this question. Now we have the first thing we'll do is we bring out our parameters in the question. So the first thing given here is to what temperature must a gas at 273. So we have given. We have so the first thing is that T1 is given, that's temperature. T1 is given as 273. So we have 273 Kelvin. Heated in order to double both its volume and pressure. So we have temperature, we have volume, we have pressure. So they said, so that means to double both its volume. So that means for you to double V1, so that means V2 is equals to the doubling, or is equals to doubled V1. And pressure, we also have P2 is equals to 2P1. Look at this. To what temperature must a gas at, so this is the first temperature, that's T1, be heated in order. So you have first temperature, you have the first temperature given, so in order to double both its volume and pressure. So if you want to double both the first volume and the first pressure, so that means is V2 and P2 that will give you this doubling. Now, so the next one we're going to look at, so we're asked to look for to what temperature must a gas, so we need to know T2. T2 is our question. Now, if you have a question like this, the relationship between this is the ideal gas law. From ideal gas law, we have that P1 V1 over T1 is equals to P to V2 over T2. So we're just going to substitute back this value. So we have T1. Do we know P1? We don't know P1. P1 we don't know it. V1 we don't know it. Over T1. We know T1 as 273 equals to what's P2? P2 here is 2P1 times V2. What's V2? V2 is 2V1 over T2. That's our question. That's what we are looking for. So what we do is this: we can let's have this. We have P1 V1 over 273 equals this is going to give us 4P1 V1 over T2. So since the sign here is an equal sign, we can cancel this. This and this can cancel this and this, so that what we now have left is going to be something like this. This is going to be 1, so we're going to have 1 over 273 equals this one cancels this one, so we have 1 here over this. What we're having left here is going to be 4 now. Don't forget, it's 2 times 2, so 4 over, we have T2. So we cross multiply. If you cross multiply, we have 1 times T2 equals to 273 times 4. 1 times T2 is T2. This times this is going to give us 273 times 4. Give us 1092. So we have 1092, and temperature is in Kelvin. So this is the correct answer. So the correct option is option D is the correct answer to this question. So thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, to share, to subscribe, and in case you have any comment, feel free to send the comment to me. Thank you, and don't forget, understanding will always connect us to the world.